Everyone was excited for the class field trip to the Aviation Museum. Everyone except Mojo. For Mojo had his heart set on a trip to the Space Museum. And now he found himself in a bad mood. He couldn't laugh. He couldn't even manage a smile. His mood was so bad, it was even starting to spread to his friends. Just then, a gruff voice called out, "What's the matter, kiddo? Don't you like airplanes?" It was the bus driver. "Well," said Mojo, "I just really wish we were going to the Space Museum. Space is so much better." "And now you've made the choice to be in a bad mood about it, huh?" "What? I didn't choose anything," said Mojo. "Moods are like the weather. They come and go, and there's nothing you can do to change it." "Oh, I get it," said the driver. "You're like a helpless little balloon. The wind and rain push you around, and there's nothing you can do about it, right?" "Right," said Mojo. "Wrong," said the driver. "You're not a balloon, kid." I'm not," said Mojo. "No, sir," said the driver. "You're more like the pilot of a plane." Mojo rolled his eyes. Planes were about the last thing he wanted to hear about. But the driver went on. "As a pilot, you could sit there and complain about the weather. But you have a choice. You can choose to steer yourself above the bad weather to sunnier skies." "Ooh, I can steer myself." "That's right, kid. You can steer down deeper into the storm, or you can steer up above the clouds and into sunnier skies." Mojo was delighted to discover a way out of his bad mood, but he had one more question. How do I steer myself? "First, just remember, you always have a choice. Always. Second, and this is the most important thing." But just then, the bus arrived, and the students were hurried off to the Aviation Museum. Now, what do you think? Can you really steer yourself out of a bad mood? Have you ever tried? Now those are interesting questions indeed.